Imagine waking up in a world where your devices understand you better than you do. Could the future of AI in our daily devices be closer than we think? Indeed, the potential of artificial intelligence is vast, and its integration into our everyday devices could revolutionize our day-to-day life. From simple tasks like setting an alarm to complex operations like managing our schedules, AI could take over, making our lives more convenient. Now picture this. A company that has always been at the forefront of innovation, a company that has changed the way we interact with technology, stepping into the world of AI. Yes, we're talking about Apple. The tech giant is not just dipping its toes into AI, it's making significant strides to transform our daily devices into smart, intuitive companions. Apple is developing generative AI technology, known as Apple GPT, for its iPhones, Macs, and services. The company is initially focusing on enhancing Siri with generative AI capabilities, with plans to release it next year. The next version of iOS is also expected to incorporate generative AI features, and Apple is exploring ways to integrate AI into its developer app. First-party apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynote. Apple, a tech giant, is making significant strides in this realm. Let's delve into their journey and future plans. Apple's journey with AI has been a fascinating one, starting with the introduction of Siri in 2011. From that moment on, we've seen a steady evolution of Apple's commitment to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's take a step back in time to 2011. Apple unveiled Siri, its voice-activated personal assistant, and the world was introduced to the convenience of AI on personal devices. This was Apple's first foray into AI, and it set the stage for what was to come. Fast forward to 2017, and Apple made a significant leap with the introduction of its neural engine. This was a dedicated hardware built into the iPhone's chip specifically for machine learning tasks. It was a clear signal of Apple's intention to push the boundaries of on-device AI. Then, in 2020, Apple announced the development of its own machine learning framework, Core ML. It enabled developers to integrate machine learning models into their apps, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for AI-powered applications on iOS devices. Now we find ourselves in 2023, where Apple is once again making strides with its generative AI technology, known as Apple GPT. This is a significant step forward, as it signifies Apple's commitment to enhancing its devices and services with generative AI capabilities. It's not just about Siri anymore. It's about integrating AI into every facet of Apple's ecosystem, from its developer app to first-party apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynote. So here we are, standing on the cusp of a new era where our iPhones, Macs, and other Apple services could be enhanced by generative AI. We've come a long way since Siri's debut in 2011, and the journey has been nothing short of revolutionary. And it seems like Apple's AI journey is far from over. The future holds intriguing possibilities. As we look ahead, it's clear that AI will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the way we interact with our devices and services. So, stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Apple is not just resting on its laurels, it has some exciting plans for the future. It's all about generative AI technology, an advanced AI system that they are keenly developing. This technology, known as Apple GPT, is poised to revolutionize the way we use Apple devices and services. Firstly, Siri, the friendly voice assistant we've all grown to love, is about to get a major upgrade. Apple plans to enhance Siri with generative AI capabilities, making it more intuitive, responsive, and most importantly, more helpful. So the next time you ask Siri for the weather, don't be surprised if it also suggests you take an umbrella because it looks like rain. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Apple's next version of iOS is also expected to incorporate generative AI features. Imagine your iPhone or Mac becoming smarter, learning from your habits and adapting to your needs. That's the future Apple is building. And there's more. Apple is also exploring ways to integrate AI into its developer app, along with first-party apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynote. This means these apps will become more personalized, offering a unique user experience tailored to your preferences. With these future plans, Apple is set to redefine our interaction with our devices. So, get ready for a future where your Apple devices aren't just smart, they're intelligent. So, what does all this mean for us, the users? To wrap things up, let's revisit the key points about Apple's ambitious plans for generative AI technology. Apple is not only developing but also aiming to integrate this technology across its range of devices and services, from iPhones and Macs to apps like Siri and Apple Music. The company's focus is on enhancing user experience through this technology, with Siri being the first to receive these upgrades. This could mean more intuitive, personalized interactions with our devices, potentially transforming the way we use technology in our day-to-day lives. Moreover, Apple is exploring on-device and cloud-based implementations for its generative AI technology, which could offer a seamless, more efficient user experience. First-party apps like Pages and Keynote are also on the list to receive these advancements, suggesting that Apple's AI push will touch every corner of its ecosystem. Only time will tell how these advancements in AI will shape our future. But one thing is clear: the future of AI in our daily devices is a captivating frontier, and Apple is leading the charge.